In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to read and how to write to your files in Python. Okay, so first of all, I will show you this. This is my folder, which is my machine. Go ahead and create a file at any point, right? Just anywhere you want, go ahead and create a file there. So I've created a file under the C drive. Under the folder text, I created this first and second. And you can see that the size is at 0 KB. Nothing is inside here. If I open this right now, nothing is inside here. So I'll go ahead and minimize that. So you should know the name first and second. So minimize this and let's go ahead and write something to this. Let's go ahead and say tx. Tx is equal to open. So open means I want to open a file. You see what I said open? You can see open and file mode, buffering, all this and that. So open file, and the file is located in the C drive. And go ahead and say the file name or the folder where the file is under text, and the file name is, let's use the first one, first.txt. Okay? And if you want to write to your file, you use W. I'm going to say W. Alright? So I'm now ready to write to my file. And how can I write to my file? I will say tx.write. tx.write. Now I'll go ahead and write inside this file. It's going to be a string. And I'm going to say, this is what I just wrote to my file using Python programming. Okay, so this is what I just wrote to my file using Python programming. Let's go ahead and close this right now. So whenever you open a file, remember your file is open at the top, you have to close the file. So go down here and say tx.close. And your file is closed right now. So I'll run this file, and this file is not going to appear under this console. It's going to appear right in that folder I show you, and it will be written to the first document, first.txt. Let's go ahead and run this. Ow! There is a problem here. What could that problem be? So this is a text and not text. Put it here. I run this code again. Let's check it out. And you can see that your code process finished with exit code. If yours is not fast, you see connecting, and very slow to connect. So let's go ahead and open that folder right now. And you can see that the size of the first file is 1 KB. So go ahead and double click on this and it will open. Drag this to this place and say this is what I just wrote to my file using Python programming. Wow, that is great. Go ahead and close this, and you've done something very great right now. So I'll go ahead and close this, and go ahead and put this down on your own system and check it out and make sure you are writing to your files. Okay, so put it down, and if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and see you in the next